Welcome to Mini Charms! Hello, friends! Today, Ellie and Leo are going to the park. Let's learn simple road safety rules together.
Traffic lights help keep everyone safe. Red means stop, yellow means wait, green means
Go!
the light is red, so we stop and wait. Being patient keeps us safe. Always cross at the zebra crossing. It's the safest place to cross the road.
Yeah!
Look left, look right, then left again. Cross only when the road is clear. Cross only when the road is clear.
Yeah!
Always wear your helmet before riding. It protects your head and keeps you safe. Click your seatbelt before the car moves.
A seatbelt keeps everyone safe. Yeah!
Never play games on the road. Play safely in the park instead. The park is full of fun and it keeps you safe.
Follow road safety rules every day.
Safe children are happy children. Great job, safety heroes!
Great job, safety heroes!
See you next time with Mini Charms!